I never think there is reports that they are making these cars. Yani I was think maybe too much people they are employee they are working on it and some machine, but this is really huge and I'm proud today to see you are making this such a beautiful cars in this amazing way.
I think that many ghosts here who do everything. It's amazing for me.
Right now, as we look at the world, technology is driving the world, technology is driving economies, and we see this daily, every day here in China. If they can be shared amongst BRI countries, I believe we can grow as countries as well, and I believe that we can also achieve something great if we have that collaboration, that partnership, and that cooperation growing. If we can nurture it, then surely we can achieve great things.
We have a great environment. The therapy here is even greater because the environment and the ecosystem is more green. You get some healing even before you get in here. The state-of-the-art infrastructure they have here, it's quite great. I think that with this state-of-the-art factory, they are doing quite well.
The newspaper rapid change in technology like we have in Bahrain, like interactive with social media, with posts on whatever has been in Bahrain. So this interactive has been in China as well.
我们现在的报纸呢，也是在全面的转型，拥抱技术变革，我们也全面的转型视听化，所以我们就不再是传统的纸媒，我们有自己的网站，然后有自己的客户端，有自己的微信公众号，同时我们也在大的这个平台上，我们有自己的账号，就是通过这样来链接我们的用户。